Hey guys, look at this hood, okay? This is the exposed color base coat. This is the clear coat that's still intact. It's got an ugly headlight. You know what? It doesn't matter. If your paint job looks like this, you ain't got the $2,000, $1,000 to repaint the car. Let me show you something you can do. This is called Lukat Fix It. Watch what I do to this paint job. It doesn't matter that it's peeling, and it doesn't always work this good on all paint jobs, but these red, the enamel type base coats, I mean, you can bring them back to a point that'll blow your mind. So I'm gonna use a terry cloth towel, and I'm just gonna clean. I'm not waxing, I'm cleaning. Now I'm cleaning right where the clear coat is, and right where the base coat starts. It doesn't matter. If you clean it, you can make it shine again. This is not a cutter. It's designed to clean chemically. This is the dead paint that's chalky and flat, okay? And this, what you see there is the good remaining paint job. The paint that's chalky, it's falling apart, but there's still a lot of good color on it. So all you have to do is clean it, not wax it. I'm not in the way, am I? Okay. So you can do this so it doesn't scream ugly, because right now all that chalky patina you see on there, that's screaming ugly. So you're gonna go through a few towels if you do this by hand. If you have a machine, you know how to use a polisher, piece of cake, use a cloth bonnet or the woolly pad. Don't use the foam pads because this is not wax, it's cleaner. There's no lubricants in it. It's pure cleaner. But look how beautiful that's coming out, okay? You want to remove the buildup, the oxidation, okay? I have other videos where you can feather back the edges. Just look for them on YouTube. We're Lukat, on YouTube, we're Lukat Fix It. Look at that. Okay. Remember, this is not wax, it's cleaner. All I'm doing is cleaning up the old contamination, removing all that stuff. Okay. The whole point here is clean the paint job. Remove the buildup. Remove that oxidation. Bring it back. Hey, can you hear me, Ben? That's my cameraman, Ben. Ben. Big Ben. So look at that. All I'm doing is cleaning. I'm not waxing. Okay? Keep it simple, guys. You can use this to clean your paint. Bring it back. If it looks like that, clean it. Okay? Once you're done cleaning, you want to use, so this is the first one. The yellow bottle is the cleaner. And this one's a sealer. They're called Lukat Fix It. It's a color and gloss restore kit. Find us at lukatdetail.com. This is the sealer component. Okay, this is not regular wax. This is actually designed for protection. Because after you clean it, you got exposed color base coat. You want to make sure that'll stay on there as long as possible. That'll hold the shine for up to a whole year. When you need to do some touch-up, you use this one afterwards. But once you do this, it's ready to be waxed. You can wax it with any kind of wax you want. It's best to leave it on there for about 10-15 minutes. But for the sake of time in the video, voila. Now, can you get the whole hood from there? Because you can't really tell that it's peeling. Like, do a close-up. Come on over here. Look, right here, focus right there. There's the peeling, okay? But it doesn't look like this. It doesn't look like that. It looks like this. And you have refraction. And here, this is smooth. This is smooth and shiny. This is smooth and shiny. Now you can actually wax it with any kind of wax you want. So hey guys, here's something for that ugly paint job. We got the fix. We're Lukat Fix It at lukatdetail.com. Please like and subscribe if you're on YouTube. Tell your friends about us. And join us in the epic fight against ugly paint job pollution. Later.